What up, lads? Let's make a basic vinaigrette. The basic ratio for a vinaigrette is 1 part of acid to 3 parts of oil. Simple like that, okay? So let's say you could use lime juice, lemon juice, you could use balsamic vinegar, you could use white wine vinegar, right? And then on the other part, you use olive oil most of the time, that's what I use. But you can use rapeseed oil as well, or any other like sunflower oil to give you more neutral flavors to it.
People will say, but I do this at home and you need to pour the oil very slowly and then to make it with that, because I don't want it to split, so that's how I want to do it.
No, you don't need to do it. Just measure always, and then we're gonna blend it or shake it. I'm gonna show you how. It's really simple. It will eventually split, yeah. If you only keep the mixture only with acid and oil, only let's say lemon juice and olive oil, after you mix them together, you make an emulsion, they're gonna split after a while because they're not meant to be together, okay? But if you wanna like keep this mixture like a dressing all the time, which is not a vinaigrette, then we could add, let's for example, mustard. So if you add mustard, the mustard keeps this emulsion together, so it holds longer without splitting, okay? But only if you want. So I'm gonna show you guys 3 ways of doing this today, okay? 3 different flavors. Alright guys, so let's start. I have a tiny glass here at home, shot glass that I use for measuring, because I'm using these jars here. So it's an old jam jar that I use to make my vinaigrettes. Then you can leave them on the fridge if you want after, just shake again, and we're done. So I'm gonna measure my lemon juice. I wanna do with lemon because I prefer than using vinegar. It's just a personal taste. So we're gonna need 1 glass of lemon juice. So here I have 1 glass of lemon juice, go inside the jar. Then I'm gonna measure 3 glasses of olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. Now we add salt to this mixture. And I like adding black pepper as well. So as you guys can see here in the jar, okay, I have my lemon juice on the bottom, my olive oil in here, so 1 to 3 parts. And you see, it's natural, okay? It's from their nature, they don't mix together. But we're gonna do some magic. I'm gonna solve this. Have our jar here. Just close it. And then we shake it. And see, easy like that. Is already a dressing. That's it. Beautiful. See? That's the mystery. There's no pouring the oil slowly or any bullshit like that, right? Just measure, shake it, then you taste it. Look at this beauty. Lovely. So what happened is, if you leave this sitting on your bench for half an hour, probably it's gonna split, okay? Then what you do? Shake again, simple like that. Then you have it ready for your salad. And once this is done, if you don't use everything, keep on the fridge. When you need it, it's ready to go. From this base here, we're gonna do another 2 variations. One with oregano, chili, and garlic. Another one with maple and Dijon mustard. Have another clean jar here. Gonna add my garlic, oregano, some chili, and then my base. All in here in the jar. What do we do? Close it. Shake it. And look at that. This is so flavorful. Easy peasy. And the other flavor, we just get our base here, add some maple, Dijon mustard, shake, shake, shake. That's it, guys. Simple like that. Just enjoy your salads. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.